Hi everyone, we're going to make these mini hearts. So take this small square paper and make 4 partition. Fold it from its sides, make 2 triangular shape. Again fold it like we're doing here and tuck it like this. Flip it and give the shape of heart like this by folding it from its side. Now blow it and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful plants. Let's make it using graph paper. So take a green strip of paper, fold it from its sides in a triangular shape. Again we are going to fold it into half and then from its corners and gently press it like we are doing here. After this again we are going to fold it into half. Now open it. Here we are only making the crease and you will get this design. After this we are going to fold all of them, press it according to the crease. We're also going to give shape to the leaves now from the top portion. Now we are going to fold it from its top like we are doing here. Then we are going to make the leaf design. So we are going to fold the paper like this and look, it's ready. Press it and your plant is ready. You can make more such plants. We're going to make this beautiful circular stick. First we are going to make one part of the circle. So fold this mini paper, fold it and make 15 such shapes. Now tuck all of them in a circular form like this and look, it's ready. Keep it aside, paste its sticks and bow as well and look, it's ready. Look at these cute little containers. Let's make it using craft paper. So fold this purple paper and we're going to make a shape like this. Fold it from its sides, tuck the paper inside and do the same from other side as well. Fold the base and gently open it using your index finger and look, it's ready. You can also paste stickers for more decoration and it's done. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful origami star design. Look, you can press it like this and again make the design. So take this printed paper, fold it into half, then start folding it from its corners. Cut it, make a triangular shape, open it and you will get a hexagon shape. Now start folding it from all its sides. We are making crease here. Now fold it from its corner like this and make a star shape. After this, we're going to fold the corners as well. So we are going to tuck the paper inside. So fold it like we're doing here from all its sides, gently open it and give shape to the sides and look, your star is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.